Hi, I'm Doug with Pak A Yak, and we're going to show you how to put this boat, Pak A Yak Anglerfish, back in this bag. So let's go for it. First thing you want to do, unclip your seat buckles, loosen up your seat straps so it can lay flat, and take it out and set it aside for a minute. Next thing you want to do, you want to take all these rubber straps and unhook every one so you can remove the 3 top panels. Doesn't matter what order, just take them apart. Okay, stern piece first, just pick it up. It's good to set it upside down so the gasket doesn't get hurt. Next piece. And the final piece. Always be careful of the scupper gaskets. Don't try not to hurt them when you're moving it around. You got your seat supports. I'm going to pull this apart. The 2 short ones are going to match up to Velcro right in this short section. Just take that Velcro, stick it on the pad so it doesn't roll around on you. These have the same. And then undo all the clamps in every section. Just separate the tail section a little bit. You're going to start with this one. This goes in the bag first. It's the shortest, but it's the widest. Just slide that to your cart. Try to center it. Take this piece. The next piece, just spin it around. Flip it right in. You got to go back and get your stern section. You slide that right in as far as it goes. And your bow is actually going to flip over and just slide into the stern section. Make sure it's just all the way in there. First top section that goes in upside down. Square end. Sets here. You can see this depression fits over the stern and the handle. Just sets on top. Next one. You want to turn it around so the solid end sits over it and protects those 2 scuppers when it's nested. Your next job is the seat. You want this to sit right here. It just slides in against it and lays back on that seat pan. And finally, your top piece, your stern top. Large end towards the cart. Set it down. So these little indents are kind of matching up with the bars in the chair. Boom, that's that. Now, just go ahead and pick up your sides, flop it up, get your zipper started here. You want to do the same thing here. Want to pick it up, start your zipper, make sure everything's in the bag. Bring this up, Velcro it, bring this corner up, bring the zipper up, tuck everything in, and last, before you travel, you want to buckle these 2 buckles And if need be, tighten them up a little bit. Don't try to crush the boat, just keep it together so it doesn't wiggle around. And Pak A Yak's back in a bag. If you need to go somewhere with it, just lift it up, it's on its wheels, and it's ready to roll.